Today we're swapping out the old NX for a GX. Let's get started here. Our master link. This chain, I'll have to put what it is in the comments. The thing lasted me forever. It's a closeout from Jensen. It's a rainbow SRAM PC something or other. 4 mil there. There's 6 here. No, must be 5. Oh, that thing was loose. Well, we gotta take the end off our cable. That's not cool. How they do it, huh? All right. Yeah. I know the hanger's straight because it's new and I put the DAG one on it this fall before Schwamigan. Okay. Got the new GX chain here. She looks nasty. There. We're gonna add 1, 2 full links. Right there. So we're gonna cut it right there. No, that should be good. All right. Link. We got 1/2 of it here, another 1/2 of it here. Yeah. And should have done it. Yeah. Now we gotta adjust our limit screws. So this isn't even hooked up and it just shifted. I think that seems good. Maybe it just goes around the outside like that, huh? cable was all the way out. We're gonna try that again. Oh yeah, there we go. We need to crank in the limit screw a little bit, or we've got any issues here. Oh, it's hitting. Thing. That high limit adjustment screw. Mint. Not sure if anyone's ever successfully reused one of these, but I'm about to try. There's a little wire crimper on it. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching.